What's going on, guys? Steve here, Online Affiliate Studio. Welcome to another video. Just a quick video and the backstory of what I do on a daily basis. One of the better reasons about having your own site is you're able to cloak your affiliate links using your own WordPress site. Now, a lot of people use Bitly, and I do use Bitly. I still have a Bitly account. Let me show you. So when you're putting links on Bitly, okay. When you're putting links on social media, Facebook, Instagram, things like that, you can't just put links on social media because obviously Facebook doesn't want you to go away from Facebook. So, you can put the link on there, but sometimes they're going to cancel it. Sometimes they'll shut it down. And, it's just not going to work. So, instead of just dropping links all over, the internet, social media, things like that, you have to cloak your affiliate links. And one free way to do it is with bitly.com. Not a free way, but a way for you to do it without having to have your own website. Is bitly.com. The computer's gonna take forever. Half the reason I don't make videos as often as I'd like. So I have a free account. I've had a free account for years. So I've got tons of stuff I don't even promote anymore. But to go in and do bitly.com, you're just gonna go ahead and paste the link, whatever you're trying to link to. Let's just use this. See, I wanted to put let's see here, dashboard, refer resources. See here, account, refer an affiliate. All right, so one thing I was going to do this morning, so this is a little back office. I want to put my link, an affiliate link for Max Bounty, so I can refer people to get them to sign up for Max Bounty, because that's what I'm using right now. I'm using a lot of Max Bounty and Craigslist and everything. So you got your affiliate link here. So you copy that, create a Bitly account. It's free. Paste it here. Create. And the cool thing about Bitly is you can come up with your own you can name it whatever you want to name it. All right, the custom link is taken. Obviously, somebody out there has got bit.ly/Max Bounty, so come up with our own Max Bounty studio. Okay, that's been edited. All right, so there he is. So it's Bitly. Let me get out of there so I can show you. So I have Bitly/Max Bounty Studio. Now this link I could put anywhere. I could put it on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, share it to different sites like Quora, things like that. So that's how you create a Bitly link. Now another way to do it is you can have your own website. Now I've got videos on showing you how to create a website. It's easy, WordPress site. Like I've said, over the years I've used so many different things, so many different platforms to build blogs and things like that. But the best one is always going back to WordPress. You have the best control over it. It's your own. It's just, you do whatever you want with it. Now, nowadays, not a whole lot of people go to websites, so I don't have a whole lot of stuff on here. I've got a couple, some different blog posts and things like that I post on here, different reviews, talking about different things that I use, but that's not the biggest purpose of having this website. Having this website is just so I can have a hub to where if somebody's looking on who I am, they can kind of go here and see that, I'm a real person, things like that. And when I'm applying for different CPA networks and affiliate networks, I can always direct them back to this website so they know, who I am. It's just, like I said, it's best to have your own little hub of information. You know what I mean? You connect with me on Facebook, free training that I offer, things like that. So what I'm going to do with this is I've got a WordPress plugin called Pretty Links. Pretty Links is where it's the same thing like Bitly, except I can put my own website and have that as a direction instead of like bitly.com. So Bitly, they know, is like free. This one gives you a little bit more like credibility. So I'd have like onlineaffiliatestudio.com/whatever, and that goes to my links. forever. All right, so I already did one, and it's free, so I don't even have to. I don't even have a pro account. And I've got all these links. So look, I've got one for Max Bounty right here. Copy that link. Let's see, where was I gonna put that? Oh, I was gonna put it in this video. So let's go here. Let's see here. I want to add this link to one of my videos in the comment section. I'm using one hand to type. And this is how you put comments on your own videos too. So I'd go to the video. I want to put it on this video. So I'll go ahead and pause it. And go down here and add this. Then you put your comment in here, go ahead and pin it. And that's how you put a comment into one of your videos. But yeah, I mean, that's how you can cloak your affiliate links using bit.ly.com or pretty links on your own WordPress website. All right, hope you enjoyed that little quick tip, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.